Test. Hmm. Um. Info, welcome back. Stream number dos, number 2. You know what I decided? I decided that the way I'm dropping items in my game is not quite as smooth as I want it to be. I can make it smoother. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Time for a new component. Because the problem is when I'm dropping an item right now, it just kind of snaps it there like in one frame. I want it to just glide it over. Nice and smooth. Mobile on. Dude, I love my own UI. Screw our libraries. I don't care. Level customization I can do just immense. Yeah. Where was this whole thing at? It's cricket. Indeed, avoiding the mines. Damn it! Now I can not troll you anymore, unfortunately. Now I might be on receiving end. That is a sadness. But yeah, thank you. Hold on. What am I doing? Before I proceed more, I need to put on the proper hair on. Give me some hairstyles. Yes, some dyes. I'll take that. Oh, blonde. Skip that for now. Skip that for now. I don't need the scrap. Just throw it out. Yeah. Back to the massive C++ code. All right, where do I drop it? What about this? Too much code, bro. There's too much code. Observer. Is there really nothing here? Really? Guess I did everything here. Dude, I don't remember anything. I wrote this half a year ago, remember nothing. When I drop in an item, what saves it would it get dropped on? Is it here? But how do I know what I dropped it on? Oh, mouse state. Okay. Oh, I see. That's kind of... Not gonna get triggered. It's okay. Okay. I dropped. Drag&Drop is that specific, huh? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Kind of makes sense, actually. It's fine. It's fine. Right. Yeah, okay. Move curd. Record it for the smoother drop in. Dude, it's too much. Compute that. based on dimensions. Just see if that much works. Okay. Ooh. Yeah, okay. It's been recorded. Okay, it's good. Because the challenge is when you drop it here, like on top of the slot, it just kind of snaps it. Boom. And I want it to just glide it in. I don't want this rough snap. I want to glide. But smooth glide. Okay. So now I have the data. Let's see, what is this? This is inventory. Yeah. I'll think about it in a moment. Right. No. Soundtrack. Up a second. Right. Dimensions. Probably what if this is. Hmm. Honestly, why don't I just stack it? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I have the power. Doesn't really help me, actually. Does not help me. I don't have great stuff though, unfortunately. No, wait, this is before. Oh, this is all misspelled, no? Calculated. Hmm. These I don't know. These I do not know. For the drag. Probably the best I got. Oh, that is rough. Wait, where's... Oh, debugging that's gonna be a little bit of a pain. X out. Okay. Oh. What? There's a big delta, bro. Yep. Back to the source. Hmm. I'm building a game literally with no engine. Pretty much. I do use a bunch of different libraries, but outside of that, ain't much going on. I gotta think about some stuff. Like I use maybe a dozen different libraries, but I have my own rendering, my own UI as well. Burn this guy's with laser. Well, let's go back to having pretty hair. Inventory. Really? Really? Yes. This color? A blonde? Or red? No, I'll go with this one. What? Okay. So that looks pretty enough when I'm just moving around on the same spot. That's what I want to see, just like this nice smooth scrap, doesn't it? I'll fix it later. The problem though is, yep, it's not easy, but it is so satisfying, dude. I've tried it before building my game in other engines, but it was just such a drag. Just such a drag. So the thing that I'm not liking right now is that I want this drop to be smooth when I'm dropping into a new slot, and it just kind of snaps it. Like, see, it's a nice glide, smooth glide, but here, it just snaps it. And I want it to be just as smooth as this. Or like the way I'm dropping the wrong slot, it just goes back. It just slides it back. That was kind of funny. I think I'm getting the information now. Right, let's see. This is where it can do something. Yeah. Yeah, it looks nice and smooth like when you just do this on the same slot. Like this, that's fine. But I just want to make that thing be even more clear. Like one of the things I don't like right now is that when you drag and drop like this, Actually, oh, didn't mean to do that. Whatever. Actually, that's starting to look okay. And yesterday we're just gonna swap immediately. Now it kinda... Because what I really enjoy was this. Like if you do like a shift click, it actually does like a physical motion on both sides. Boom, boom, boom. Stress test the system. So yeah, so last few days I've added the ability to have dyes. So you can just like color different things different ways, like make this thing different color. Bodysuit. I'll take bodysuit. Red, black. Brunette is more like a hair color, whatever. This one is not friendly for YouTube, so no. I'll just drop it. Right now this is definitely buggy. Let's dig in slower and think. I'm assigning it this thing here, right? I'm pretty sure. Yeah. So this one, I need to make sure it's going to that slot. Now this is where it's coming. Yeah. Not before we drag it. That's probably wrong, actually. I think this is a problem. Let's for now. Yeah. What is my game about? It's my own version of Diablo, but more like a Barbie style in a way. Like it's actually currently have a playtest going on Steam. Would you like a build maybe like a little bit older? Actually, you know, you can actually play it as well if you want. Yeah, let's go. I can actually just launch it myself from Steam right now. Here we go. This is the main menu. You also have a male guy, but he's only beginning development. He doesn't have as much going on, but he's like a fun puncher kicker. Oh, she does a weird hand thing now. Must be a new thing I introduced. That's basically then you get the Diablo, you get the items, you can pick up the items, you get different lasers. You can do fireballs. And so on. I'm not sure if I want to make it like a roguelike or not. I'll see about that. That I'll have to see. Ooh, my good old energy orb. Try it. That's that. Oh, look at that. 195 hours. Hell yeah, look at that playtime. It's pretty funny. Pretty funny. So let's think. Think. Can we with before the drag? What if I just say No, I don't even have it in here. I will now. A lot of dimensions. Let's see what I can do with that. Dude, I don't need that setting anymore. Time to go my developer settings. Yep. What does it look like right now? Just let me see how it looks. There's a lot of weird snapping. Here I need the calculated. Actually, it would have been fine from there. No, this is fine actually. Yeah, this is fine. Go lab before the drag. No, this is where it's coming from. Hold on, I still need to better name this. Coming from. Yeah. Right. Where it's coming from. Better precision here. This will land on the corner of the slot instead of where the item goes. But it's close enough for now. How long have I been coding? It's been all my life. But yeah, I've been coding for forever and a half, dude. Since I was a little kid. All my life. Just need to hand this item off to the new path. It's gonna be a little bit of kicking and screaming, but I can get it done. Ooh. It's almost one other thing. And one more thing. This thing. That needs to be modified. Well, no, I don't want to do it to square. Let's just do... Oh god, it's a bit much. That is a bit much. Don't need that. Well, let's take this off at least. We're just like one frame where it drops it in the wrong place and then updates it. I think for now, just need to patch this up here. Hold on, it's some AC, be right back. Back to getting cracked. Let's see, that one is fine. What I need to do... In this case, well, this might be enough. Is there a multiplayer mode available? No, I haven't bothered implementing multiplayer. The thing is, when I looked at the market for it, most people who play games like that, 90% of the time, they play it as a single player. So it's pretty rare to play it in multiplayer mode. Now, my main skill from coming from game dev is actually multiplayer. So I could actually implement it properly and nicely. It's a lot of work, and it's maybe once I'm already financial success, I'll think about it then. But for now, I don't think it's worth the trouble. Like the multiplayer properly done of all these servers, you take so much effort to sort of set up cloud servers. You have to pay for all that crap. You have to somehow get enough players to play it at all. Just a lot of work. And if you're just doing like a co-op on Steam, it's gonna get barely used. It just ain't worth it. C left. That's not what I want. Just need to give it the left. What I think of AI? AI is awesome, dude. I actually use AI for some voice generation. I also use ChatGPT to ask it questions. Use as my backup developer rubber duck. I use AI as much as possible as a solo dev. The smarter you are, the better you can use the AI. Maybe I could just say... Let's do this. Oh. No? It's got issues compiling stuff? What you got? Dude. Oh, margin. Go. I remember starting out using figuring out compiler errors are such a skill, dude. But now it's easy and smooth. Smooth sailing. Oh. Not quite there just yet. Oh, with... Right. We'll just do a little bit of hackery for now, okay? I just want to force it to be the right way. So let's say I'm doing this, okay? Still one frame was doing it wrong. One little frame where it's wrong. Wait, does it look fine dropping into this guy? Does it look fine there? Suspicious. Let's might as well drop it everywhere else. 1 to 4. 1 to 5. 6. 7 and 8. Almost fine. It does look like a weird little hop. It's kind of funny. It just kind of hops around. think there's one frame where it's wrong. Maybe. Well, I might let it go for now. We'll do some clean up something else. I don't want to show the preview when it's been dropped into it. Gotta wait until it settles in. That's funny how it bounces. That was definitely worth the trouble. Still suspicious, but... Yeah, for sure. Also, you can all join my Discord. You can ask me more questions there. Discord link is very, very simple. Boom. I'm not sure. I think links should be working on Twitch as well. So go ahead. Get away. Still need to add properly for this. Alright, why don't I just hide item preview while it's landing? I thought I was doing that already. Maybe I wasn't. Yeah, but feel free to ask. It's not a big deal. It's kind of end of the day, just kind of mostly chilling and grilling. You know what I need? I need to make a debugger. A debugger so you can somehow draw the lines and trace the points of how the item travels through. So instead of looking at visually like an artard, I could have like a little table showing me every point and every frame. That way I can see exactly what's going on, as opposed to visual looking at it, staring at the screen intently. That's what I need. It should be like a custom debugger, because actually it's a handoff. It creates a new entity, destroys the previous one, passes this off. You have a debugger say something like debug the next drag and drop, and then it will keep track of this. Yeah. There was something, a little thing off in here, I'm not sure what. Dropping in hot. Excellent. Of course I have a mirror, dude. Fun story is that when you play as a guy, you don't get the mirror. But as a chick, dude, you have to have a mirror, dude. What the hell are you talking about? And when you put on shoes to put it off, she actually does a spin. It changes where she's looking. So she waits until item changes. Bam, swap around. This is your serious business here, man. Actually, this reminds me. I want to add animation for the hairstyle change. That's what I need to do as well. Right. That's what I need to do as well. We can do something like a hair glider over his shoulder or something. Something that will interact with the physical hair as well. That'll be ideal. Yeah, I can do that maybe next time. Let me write it down before I forget. Before I forget. We should do that, dude. I did that. I did that. I did that. I think you fixed that. Okay. Now when hairstyle changes, heroine, form a custom animation that pushes the hair with her hands. Something like that. Something like that. What do I need for that? Idle, I think. I mean, you can send it either way, dude. It's not a big deal. I think Twitch should be fine. If there's also Yo Showcase on Discord, if you want to be something more permanent, by all means. I think I enabled links on Twitch. Let me double check. Double check this thing. Channel settings, channel moderation. Yeah, hyperlink should be open on Twitch is fine. No problem. Alright, let's see what kind of porn link you got me. Excellent. Got some fancy stuff in here. That seems more like an actual presentation, whatever else is going on, dude. Yeah, dude, that's a bit, that's for you to analyze, dude. I have no idea. That enemy. I'm just game dev, dude. I'm just a game dev, bro. I don't do any kind of machine learning, none of that stuff. I mean, it's all cool and stuff, but I have no idea. I'm just here to make Diablo and hot chicks. That's what I'm here for. There's one frame, I swear to God, there's something off for one frame. And I will find it. First, something more annoying, which is that little preview shows up. I'm gonna turn it off. Where is it? It's to be here somewhere, right? Stun drag bow check. But this would be hidden away. Let's get triggered. Or not. Seems like it does. Yeah, it was a drop right there. And this wants to show it here. I'll just disable this for now. But even this one shows it. It shouldn't be showing a preview. Alright. Anybody else doing it? No, not here. Wait. View panel. Hey, where's this a copy? Make that into a reference. Yeah, all that OAI stuff is a bit much. I did a little bit of that in college, but it's not really me. Plus, machine learning today got him pretty far up. You have to ask him something more game specific. Oh, and that sounds like you know more than me already. It's one of those things that look like a bunch of shiny lights, which is pretty cool. Lots of stuff going on, but dude, I have no idea. It's not something I'll be able to judge and tell you on. My general advice is that in general, it's much easier to work with something that has like direct connection to reality. We're actually trying to produce a realistic outcome. Like for example, if you use it to drive like a robot running through a simulation, and then you can actually apply it to some kind of environment that you're making, go out and see if your robot gets far enough or not. And that will be a much better judge for you as to if it's working or not. As opposed to having just like a layman looking at the video. It's cute, but it's not going to tell you much of a feedback. It's like kind of like firing rockets. If a rocket gets fired and blows up, that's your feedback. Just kind of social feedback. It's not for that. As opposed to like if it was like a playable thing, something you like go like on Steam, like a playtest like my game, then yeah, cool. See if it crashes, see if it lags, things like that. So we look for some kind of reality-based connection judgment. Okay, current. Yeah. I'm gonna do this for now. See if the current one. No, don't need that. Show previews on items that are finishing their drag action. Right. Maybe here. Focus. But just do that. What's going on? Why you be crashing? What's going? Oh yeah, I forgot to check. I forgot to check. It's my bad. Oh. Give me the item. Good. Yeah, now it waits. Yeah, now I don't even see item preview until it gets dropped. Let go. Almost feels like flinging an item now. Like, it's good enough. There's still one frame or something is off. But without building a proper debug tool for that, I'm not really gonna see it. And maybe this is fine enough for now. Actually, maybe I can capture this. Let's go Mr. OBS. We're at 44 frames, dude. It's gonna be a serious video capture. Not gonna be no joke. Okay. Let's see. Can I spot what is going on in here? Grab the thing. Oh, what was that? Oh, but that's looking weird. Okay, one thing I'm noticing is that it loses that corner shape. I forgot about the corners. Yeah, corners. Mr. Corners. Where is this at? Image. Right here. Mr. Image. It doesn't... Man, what's going on here? It's just weird. Is that a capture thing or is that actually what's going on? I think it might have both entities existing at once for a moment. I think that's the real problem. For a moment they might be both existing. Huh, maybe. Alright, one thing at a time. First, bring back the corners. Why are the corners not there? I thought this would be happening and it's not. Why? Oh, item. That. Okay, I get it. Can do that. Oh, maybe I don't need that as much as I need. An item. Where the hell are you at? Right here. Yeah, no worries, man. It's just that I'm a game developer. I'm not really into AI stuff. Or like neural setup creations, whatnot. I was vaguely curious about that stuff in college, but for games, it's just too heavy. So I haven't really been paying attention to that. But like this. Oh, what? What the front door? Oh, what did I do? Oh, I should have submitted the changes. Now it's gonna be a pain in the ass to find out what the hell I did. Now, if you have a game for me to judge, hell yeah. I'll be all up in that. What did I get wrong here? Don't. God. It's a bit much. Oh yeah, what? Don't care about any of that. Oh, now I decided to move. Damn it. Oh, I hate when I'm writing a bunch of complicated codes and then I make one small change and it breaks. And I have to rethink it again. Or maybe the history will save me. How many downloads do I have at the moment? For the playtest? Maybe like 150 something? It's not much. The game is only beginning to take shape visually. I have a lot of changes in here. To some degree. Let's go back to the beginning. Got that, got this. Oh, let's just give myself some items. Oh, it thinks there was a stuff in there. That's funny. That's funny. Because my stream primarily about the game, so Once a game becomes more impressive looking or is more to play, and then it'll be taken off then. But for now, it's a quiet public playtest. Okay, that seems reasonable now. Like, it's also another thing I want to improve. What I really want is when you drop an item like that, like it replaces it correctly, but visually it just doesn't look like it's replaced. Honestly, right now it sure looks like it's rejecting it, even though it's not. Let's get something better. So we're gonna be all nothing but good items. Fine. How about this? Get rid of all scrap. Yeah, there you go. At least now it's visually clear as it's changing spots. But what I actually want to do is when you drop it, I want this thing to fly out and land in here, as opposed to linearly back. That's what I actually want. I can make it happen. This might be a good time to actually save the current progress. There's been a bunch of changes, dude. A bunch of changes. Is this 1 megabyte yet? No, not yet. Okay. Not quite yet. 1 megabyte of JSON. Which will be soon. Approved drop of a drag. In the player inventory. No, I think actually is true. If I capture this again, I think there's 1 frame. Yeah. There's this 1 little framey frame. It does look good. Oh, what's going on? Yeah, see that? That's what I'm seeing. For 1 frame, there's a bunch of nasty white stuff up in there. And it looks like the wrong dimensions too somehow. And also does a little visual flicker. Because my monitor is 144 Hz, so it's a little tricky to see that, but you do see it. We're digging deeper in that. I mean, for now, let me think. Does it look the same way if I do this? Hold on, I want to see it. How does it look if I do... if I drop it like that? Yeah, at least now there's no like weird overlaps of any kind. So if I know there's some weird stuff going on here and there. Like it does like the weird little resize dance. And then disappears for one frame. Interesting. Oh yeah, see now I'm showing a preview on this crap. Although that's kind of okay because the mouse setting, that's fine actually. And then for like a frame, it doesn't even show the text. Interesting. I'm suspicious about that. It might be like a capture thing. I don't know. That I don't know. But this one being this is happening twice now. Starting to believe. Oh, first idea. What if I just hide that item once it's ready to be dropped? Hopefully the next frame will draw something else. This now I have a clean change list so I can see what I'm doing. Are the corners routing in code? You're talking about like this thing here when you have like cut out the corners? I just compute my own vertices and I just shove it off. It's very straightforward. I just really make my own 2D shape. And I can control the precise of that. Exactly how much cuts it out. Like for example, I can just go... Let's say I grab this little thing. In the slot, I can be like, enable corners. I can use that in the future for something. Right now, just use it for a little bit of animation. When you drag it, it has like a cutout corners. I'll see. It's very simple. It's totally just like here. Just compute 6 triangles. Bam, 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 bam. Just describe all dimensions, off you go. As opposed to just a regular straightforward one. This is technically 1. This will be 2. This will be 2. Oh, YouTube follow, huh? And Web 4 Plus follow as well. What's that? I just did this today, actually. I got bored of looking at score, decided to do a little bit of a cutout. I'm actually also thinking I could actually have these 2D images jiggle a little bit as you move the mouse over. Because I draw these triangles myself, I can actually have them like face the mouse a little bit, just a tiny bit. I could. Maybe just kind of like jiggle on the slide a little bit as the mouse passes by. Something to think about. Bum, 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 bum. Going on here? Nothing. Okay. So when I'm dropping the thing here, someone's being dragged. Would it work if I just do this? I don't know if it would or not, to be honest. It might not, but let's try it. That when we do have a drop, if it will hide or not. Maybe it will hide it. Oh, you just heard AI. AI, speak up.
Hi, hello, okay, hi, hello, okay, hi, okay.
Something flickering, not sure if it's the same thing. Spot. No. Yes, that one doesn't actually do it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that gets written somewhere else. Something else, something else. Maybe that if it's fully wide is even weirder anyway. Maybe something else going on. Not sure what. Alright, I need to go back to the beginning. There's somewhere inventory root. Right here. If it's empty, it's there, we'll delete it. What if here, deletion. Strictly speaking, move this afterwards. Maybe it's a quick little hack. Let's make sure this happens like at the end. To the end of all this magic. A bunch of code left and right. Let's do full restart. Let's see. Because every frame I check what items there are, and it's necessary to create a bunch of UI stuff. So maybe if I just do it... No, we're still at the same flicker. But maybe what's going on is now destruct. Right here. If item is empty now, what about part of this thing? At least hide it freaking here, dude. At least here. Because it might take another full frame before it's actually deleted out. Right? Yes. No. This might be too much effort for now. I might just let it be. There was a few years of... But that flicker's so annoying. Hmm. Yeah, I'll take care of another day. It becomes a bit too complex. Let's hit her right. Okay. Let's see. Where... Oh, I also create an item here, right? But at the same time, I suppose it kind of makes sense. Maybe. So that I might. Maybe the right solution to this whole damn thing is to, instead of copying the item over, could just pass it off and reparent it. If it's an empty drop, that might be easier. Time efficiency stealers, huh? Not sure what you're talking about, but I usually take a break like chess or something, but the problem with playing chess right now is that I'm like 1 point away from my highest rank ever. Literally 1 point away from my maximum. I'm feeling too tired to do right now, actually, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to lose that game. So I'll play it maybe some other time. What if I avoid recreation of an item? What if I just pass it off? Especially when if I know I'm dropping it into nothing. I could just pass it. Could. That would definitely solve a lot of problems. Because the state would just carry over. That's probably the right way to do it. Did I write a bunch of nasty code everywhere? No, really. Let's revert to scrap. I don't need any of that. What if I just rewire it, just reparent it? How about that? I've never done this before. I don't see why it would not work. See why not. Notice when a mouse crosses over the light gray border only. Yeah, because if you just drop it here, it kind of stays in the same spot. So it's not going to do any kind of weird stuff. This is specifically for when you drop it into a new slot. I mean, I could just reparent it. Let me try reparenting it at least once. Like right here. Right, if the destination item, I should just rename it this way. Destination item. If destination item was empty, yeah. We just reparent the thing. It's hovering over entity, I think. Experiment. Reparent the UI item to the new slot if that slot was empty. Because I think this would be that. Oh, really? I was listening. Nope. Oh, I'm inside a quarry. I cannot repair it from here. I would have to do it somewhere outside. Son of a biscuit. Forgot about that. Forgot about that. I can certainly do that. It's just so much hassle. So much hassle. But fine. Fine. Create something like this. We do update the world, blah blah blah. Here's the main update. Somewhere. Yeah, that's the main update. Oh, where? Who owns this? Item system, okay. Really? No, why is it all the way up here? That makes no sense. That makes no sense. There's somewhere here. Do we have the hook? We do have the hook. Make sure this runs. Okay. And now that I have this, drag and drop event. Let's see if I need to expand this or not. Yeah, you can do either way. Okay. At least now I have an actual action to do. What if I just do something really simple? Hopefully I can repair this thing. Let's see. Let's see it in action. Yeah. I'm sure something else will break, but I just want to see if that... If that's true, that means I should never see... somewhere. It should never happen, right? To confirm. Huh? This is inventory, right? Yeah, inventory. Oh, this is past some other one. No, I need this. Yeah, I guess. Okay. So it is true that it rewired it. So that's good. Between 4 and a 5. Let me see. Item 431. Changes the name actually. Oh, I think it needs. I'm not sure. I've never done this before. Wait a second. Probably needs to update that part. This thing. UI planning for slot. Yeah, okay. Oh. You have to clean up the parent first. Put this out. See the number not change. How about that? Well, now it thinks there's 2 items in there. Interesting. Interesting. Oh. What happened actually? Hold on. It's go 0 to 1. Yeah. 1 1 1. It creates another one anyway. Huh. Which did not need to do. Oh, it needs updated slot. Oh, right. Okay. Right now should be Gucci. Slot 1. Go 1 1 1. There's a little bit of a frame where it gets delayed, but it's actually moving between them. It's the same entity. One number. But now that this works, well, I'm curious what happens in slow motion then. She goes back there first, then snaps. That's funny. I mean, it kind of makes sense who actually does that, to be honest. But I can update that. That's funny. That would definitely be a flicker. But I can do that. We can fix that. But I need some things. Oh, drag the ball. I don't really need. I don't know if I need that or not. I might not. Probably no longer being dragged anyway. Do need to change the destination where it's going. It's on this bad boy. Start with this. Oh yeah, I guess it's fine. Let's see. Drag ball, yep. Not drag anymore, good. Point 0.18, 0.17. Oh, you drag it down? I guess it's fine. So the good news and longer snap is back. Why does the image disappear for a moment? What the hell? But that seems friendlier. Yeah. Why? Why would the image disappear? Like reload what? You're gonna need to use the eye to convert that into a human language, man. Why does the image disappear but text stays? Hmm. Item image. I don't remember ever needed to do that. So weird. Color, 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 color. You mean when I press reload? Yeah, load reloads the whole thing. Like the whole freaking world, essentially. Yeah. But because it's a custom engine, that does it very quickly. And this is a debug build, by the way. But on flickering thing. Now, for some reason, it's for a moment, it's like the image disappears that is drawing. And then next one, no text. I think what's happening for a moment, it thinks I'm missing some connection somewhere. Somewhere in a connection. Like maybe I need to patch this up. Otherwise it thinks it's empty. That might be what I need to do. Yeah. Let's try that. Oh, I do have this guy. Right, yes. No, that doesn't change, but this does. The slot. Yeah. Oh, this tiny frame flickers. Dude, why does it take so much effort? Does happen, right? Yeah, I was dropping it from 5 into 8, correct? Dropping 5 into 8. To be fair, actually, there's only one item. So I should be able to see what the hell's happening to it. Be able to. That's doing that, okay. Okay. Seems completely fine here. Yeah, I'm gonna take back, makes sense. Alright, it's might require too much thinking for today. I might have to finish this and continue this tomorrow then. It's too much thinking. Shall hunt down that one frame flicker. But not today. Continues tomorrow. Alright. Take care, y'all. I shall be back tomorrow. Yep. Tomorrow this will be cracked.